So I heard you've been having some issues with plaque build-up. Let's change that.
You gotta feel the vibe. Holding out for you in the crowd. Boy, I need it now.
This is the best way to brush your teeth. I learned this at dentist school. You can check my credentials, you can see my resume. I'm trained in the art of this profession. So, first thing you want to do is, if you've got the electric toothbrush, I'm going to show you what you do if you've still got your manual toothbrush. If you've got the electric toothbrush, this is what you've got to focus on. So, the electric toothbrush, unlike the manual brush, already has that rotary motion. It already spins nicely. So that's already sorted. What you want to do is you want to go on each tooth. A lot of people, they just go, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing them. Mom, Mom,
Yeah?
I'm brushing them.
Good boy.
See? You don't want that. No, you want to go one deeper. You've got to do this. Instead of just putting it on your teeth, you've got to aim, which has been the problem area by the sounds of it for you, you've got to aim at the point between the tooth and the gum, right there. Right there. And the angle you want to put your toothbrush is not just like this, 70 degrees. That's 90 degrees, that's 45, 70. So you want to get literally 70 degrees. If this is the tooth, this is the gum, that would be 45. That would be 90. You want to get it just there. So it gets up in your grill, basically. So if you do that, you hold it there for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, next one. 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 For eternity. And you keep doing that all the way around on every side. It's a little bit more difficult. It's easy on the bottom ones because you don't have to do that. But on the back ones, it's a little bit more difficult, and I know that's where you've been having issues. So you've really got to try and find that 70-degree angle. So you really got to go, okay, get it in there, and then angle it down. 70, bing. Okay, and if you've got a manual toothbrush, and any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. There's a specific James Andrews comment sections below. So if you have any questions, please, if I've missed anything. But yeah, you go around 3 seconds on each tooth and keep it at that 70-degree angle. The electric already has the rotary aspect, but if you've still got a manual toothbrush and your electric toothbrush hasn't come in the post yet, there's one difference. So what you want to do with the manual toothbrush, the only difference is instead of you know, a 70-degree angle, you want to have a 45. So I know earlier I was saying that's 45, that's 0, that's 90, that's 70, that's 45. Perfect diagonal. And you want to do a rotary action on each tooth, just like that. So you want to keep a 45 instead of a more tilted 70, and you want to have that action. So 3 seconds on each tooth like that, 3 seconds on each tooth like that. Remember, the point between the tooth and the gum.
Do you feel the vibe?